Starting a business can be hard, but starting a business with no money to fund your business can be even harder. That's why it's very important you begin to leverage other people's money for your business, no matter what stage your business may be in. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can apply for this Net 30 account for a new business that will report. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Tiara, and on this channel we discuss all things related to business and finance. If you are not new here, thank you for being a part of the community. So if you aren't familiar with what a Net 30 account is, a Net 30 account are accounts that extend you 30 days to pay the bill in full after you have purchased products or services from a company. Net 30 accounts allow you to buy now and pay later, commonly known as vendor credit, supplier credit, and trade credits. Vendors that report those payments to commercial credit agencies help your company establish strong business credit scores after you have purchased products or services from their company. When you think about business credit, it's almost identical to how you build personal credit, because you have to spend money within your business in order to get a business credit score. Like they always say, money makes the world go round, and unfortunately this is the only way to begin building a good, strong business credit profile. Before you can begin building your business credit with any company, these are the things you will need to make sure you have before applying. You'll need your business entity with your Secretary of State. This will be your LLC, your S Corp, your C Corp, your nonprofit, or whatever you have already registered your business entity as. You'll need to make sure you have your EIN number, which can be registered with the IRS for free after you have registered your business entity. You'll want to get your business DUNS number, and this can also be done free on the Dun & Bradstreet's website. You'll need your business bank account already established as well, so you're able to make those payments back in 30 days of purchasing from a Net 30 vendor. If you don't have your LLC for your business, check out the link in my description below. You can get a free LLC below if you haven't already done so. I also recommend you to watch the business credit playlist after this video if you don't have all your documentations to begin applying for your Net 30 accounts. Now let's get into it. Today we're going to discuss this company called Credit Strong. If you watched my video I've done previously on Credit Strong for personal credit, this company now offers business credit accounts in similarity to their personal credit accounts. The only difference is one helps your personal credit score, and the other one we're discussing today will help your business credit score. So when you go to apply for this Net 30 account, be sure you're on the business credit builder website and not the personal credit builder website. Down in the description, I have also linked the account so you can check it out after this video. With the Credit Strong Business Credit Builder, they build your business credit by providing a business installment loan, trade line, and reporting payments to Equifax, PayNet, SBFE, and soon Experian and Dun & Bradstreet, also known as DNB. So let's discuss how does this Net 30 account work. You can simply apply for an account in just minutes. It's no hard pull on your credit profile, and accounts are FDIC insured. You will then select a payment plan of your choice and what works best for your financial needs. Credit Strong will then open an installment loan for your company and report payments to the business credit bureaus. And all you have to do is make on-time monthly payments to build your business credit profile. If you watch my video on how Self-Inc works or how Credit Strong works for your personal credit, this is the same exact method with using your money to build business credit history. I absolutely love doing these type of installment loans because you're using your money to help build credit, all while saving money at the same time. And the best part is, if something happens where you can no longer afford to pay that monthly fee, you have the option to unlock your savings at maturity or cancel anytime with no penalty to you. So if you're looking for a way to save money within your company, using this Net 30 account will also help you save within a 2-year period. Now let's go over the amount you have to put into the account to begin building your business credit with Credit Strong. They have 4 different payment plans for you to choose from. There is the $2,500 plan, they have a $5,000 plan, a $10,000 plan, and a $25,000 plan. So no matter how much you want to save, they have different plans to meet your needs. The $2,500 plan, there's an option to pay $100 a month for 25 months, or an option to pay $115 a month for 25 months. The difference between these two plans is going to be the $100 plan is no interest charge to you, and you will have to pay a one-time fee of $349. With the $115 plan, there is a one-time fee of $149 with an interest fee of 13.26, making the amount you pay back to Credit Strong a little higher at the time of your loan. With the $5,000 plan, there's an option to pay $200 a month for 25 months, or an option to pay $220 a month for 25 months. The difference between these two plans is going to be the $200 plan is no interest charge to you, and you will have to pay a one-time fee of $549. With the $220 plan, there is a one-time fee of $199 with an interest fee of 8.96%. With the $10,000 plan, there's an option to pay $400 a month for 25 months, or an option to pay $440 a month for 25 months. The difference between these two plans is going to be the $400 plan is no interest charge to you, and you'll have to pay a one-time fee of $749. With the $440 plan, there's a one-time fee of $299 with an interest fee of 8.96%. With the $25,000 plan, there's an option to pay $1,000 a month for 25 months, or an option to pay $1,100 a month for 25 months. The difference between these two plans is going to be the $1,000 plan is no interest charge to you, and you will have to pay a one-time fee of $749. And with the $1,100 plan, there is a one-time fee of $499 with an interest fee of 8.96%. Now listen, before you say this is too much to pay, you can't afford to pay to build your business credit, let me remind you, every single thing we need for personal credit has a price to it as well. When you go to get loans from your bank, when you get an auto loan, even with student loans, literally everything comes with a fee to begin the process. The only difference is most times it's factored into your payment plan. So keep in mind when you're deciding on if this is right for you, that having a business credit score can help your business in the long run if you play the game to win with a long-term strategy. Look at this as a short-term investment to help you build your long-term goals. Having business credit can definitely help you guys invest into some bigger investments within your company. So even if you can't afford to spend this amount of money now to begin building your business credit, be sure you watch my business credit playlist that's going to play right after this video. I have other Net 30 companies I highly recommend for new businesses that report and require lower investments as low as $50 to begin building your business credit as well. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you need more assistance on how to begin building your business credit to get the capital you need for your business, let me know down in the comments so I can continue making videos like this for you guys. I am Tiara Pace, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.